Accessing your TOEFL and IELTS scores online. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to explore a very crucial step in the TOEFL and IELTS testing process: accessing your scores online. This will empower you to view your test results and decide the next course of action, whether it's celebrating or preparing to retake the test. Let's dive in. The beauty of the digital age is the ease with which we can access information. When it comes to important tests like TOEFL and IELTS. 1. Immediate access. You don't have to wait for snail mail or a phone call. 2. Flexibility. View your scores anytime and from anywhere. 3. Decisions. Quickly decide if you need to retake the test or move on to other preparations for your study abroad journey. Getting to your scores is a breeze if you follow these steps. 1. Log into the official portal. Whether it's the TOEFL or IELTS, head over to the official website where you registered for the test. 2. Credentials ready. Have your username and password ready. This would be the same one you used during registration. 3. Dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Results or Scores section. This is usually prominently displayed. 4. View scores. Your scores will be detailed out, often split by the different sections of the test: reading, listening, writing, and speaking. 5. Print, save. While not mandatory, it's a good practice to download a soft copy or take a printout for your records. While the process is generally smooth, here are some issues learners sometimes face. 1. Forgotten password. Don't panic. Click on the Forgot Password link and follow the prompts. 2. Delayed scores. Sometimes there might be a delay in scores appearing online. Wait for 24 hours, and if they're still not visible, contact the test center. 3. Mismatched information. Ensure that the personal details on the portal match with what you had provided. Discrepancies can cause delays. That's a wrap on how to access your TOEFL and IELTS scores online. Remember, this is a pivotal part of your journey, and being informed ensures you're always a step ahead. We hope this video has been beneficial. Until next time, happy learning, and may your scores always reflect your best efforts.